My name is Elana Einhorn. I was wearing three different pairs of glasses, one for reading close up, one for the computer, one for driving and distance. And after going through the program and working with the techniques and the exercises, I was actually able to get rid of my distance glasses on my driver's license. I've had a restriction for using glasses for driving for 40 years. And I no longer need that just this past summer. And it was a big relief because putting off, do I have the right glasses? When I'm just driving to the grocery store, it seemed like every year my eyes were changing in a way that it was just costing me a lot of money to keep up with new prescriptions all the time. I would order the glasses, and then by the time they came in, it seemed like the prescription was already off. And being in the Naturally Clear Vision program explained why that was happening, gave me comfort that I could make positive changes myself.